intelligent optics are key in today's world. At NTS Optel, we're always ahead of the curve. We understand this and have been investing in people, our customers, and technology for years. At NTS Optel, we're a top-tier solutions provider that specializes in customized optical, laser, and optomechatronic solutions, both in development and production. We are your go-to partner for custom optomechanics and nanostructure metrology solutions, accelerating your time to market targets with state-of-the-art solutions. Our team of 45 experts, including Ilian, Marcel, and Tim, work together seamlessly every day and are always ready to tackle your next challenge. Being part of NTS, a partner of choice for high-tech OEMs, we are driven by an open mind to innovation. We constantly explore the latest developments so that we can always implement the newest technologies. Together with our customers, we develop solutions that perfectly fit their needs. We are NTS Optel, and we're here to accelerate the future.